Let us consider in more detail what kind of production equipment there is. And what main types it is divided into. Among the classifications of industrial units, there are 4 areas according to their functional purpose. The transporting variety consists of various devices for transporting and transporting goods. The most popular representatives of this type are conveyors, loaders, truck cranes, stackers, conveyors. Motor units are a type of industrial equipment that is designed to transform electrical or other energy into mechanical operation. The most striking examples of this group are electric engines, steam engines and hydraulic turbines. Processing machines or processing machines are a type of equipment that is designed to perform processing or processing of various materials. The following production machines are best known in this group. Planing, turning, milling, forging. The process type is used to perform several predetermined operations simultaneously. It is a fully automated and programmed device, controlled via remote control. Prominent representatives of this type of units are worth highlighting. Robotic manipulators and production machines. All of the above types of equipment are intended for them. Production and processing of products of varying degrees of complexity.
till the day I die.